Hello students, in this particular video I have uploaded the motion of the charged particle in a magnetic field, and students, I request you to go through the entire video and subscribe my channel so that any new video which is uploaded you will get it. This video is very helpful for us in all respect, including our NEET JEE examinations. Let us try it in a very simple way. Magnetic field, what we have certain symbolic representation for magnetic field. If you have gone through your textbook, you might have seen many where there is a dot, many where there is a cross. So there is a significance of that. What is dot? Dot means perpendicular to the field in the outward direction, and cross means perpendicular to the plane in the inward direction. So outward direction means, say, in this way. This is what we have outward. Towards you, the thumb is towards you, that means it is outward. The thumb is towards me, that is inward. Okay, so outward means outside the board and inward means inside the board. So cross represent inside the board and dot represent outside the board. Okay, now if you have a positive charge, very simple way to understand everything. For positive charge, use right hand rule, and for negative charge, use left hand. Okay, for positive charge, use your right hand for the symbolic representation, and for negative charge, use your left hand, as you will find it in a video. Okay, now for a charged particle, we have plus Q. So for a charged particle, the force is given by the formula. Force vector is Q, that is the magnitude of the charge, into V bar cross V bar. So therefore its magnitude is given by the relation F bar is equal to Q V B sin theta. So Q V B sin theta. So of course when you say sin theta, this one, okay, it is from 0 to 180 in that way. Okay, so you can vary the forces in that particular way. So let us see over here the diagrammatic representation. Everything we have drawn it. Now just we need to implement it. Okay, so and students, I request you to try this for a few more times so that you can understand it and help use this for your numericals and for your aptitude. Okay, so let us proceed. See, this is the magnetic field in the positive x-axis. This is magnetic field in the positive y-axis. This is cross, that means it is perpendicular to the field in the inward direction. This is dot, that means perpendicular to the field in the outward direction. This is in negative y direction in this way. This is in along negative x-axis. This is again dot, and this is again cross. Okay, now let us proceed. Now as I said, for positive charge we have to use right hand, and for negative charge we have to use left hand. Okay, so let us see, implement this. Now for positive charge, see, this is plus Q. So for positive charge, V has to be the velocity. So forefinger is V. So V is velocity. B is magnetic induction. See, it is in matching. B is velocity. B is magnetic induction. So the force is directed inward, perpendicular to the plane. Now force is directed inward, perpendicular to the plane. That means it is represented by a cross. So force will be in this particular way. It is in this particular direction, perpendicular to the plane in the inward direction. This is what we have as you match it. I hope it is okay. V stands for velocity, so forefinger. B is magnetic field, the middle finger. That means thumb will be what? Thumb will be the direction of the force. So this is cross. Okay. Thereafter, now students, you have negative charge. Negative charge means what? Negative charge means, yes, left hand. Okay, so negative charge. Now B is the direction for magnetic induction. B is the direction for velocity. Now see, children, B is the direction for velocity and B is the direction for magnetic induction. B is the direction for velocity and B is the direction for magnetic induction. So this is thumb. Thumb is directed inward. Inward means perpendicular to the plane. So this is what we have the direction for force again. So here also the force is inward, that is perpendicular to the plane in the inward direction. I hope it is okay to everyone. Let us implement it few more. Now in the second case, third case rather. Okay, which charge we have? Positive charge. So of course positive charge means you will be using right hand. So let us use right hand. V stand for velocity, B stand for magnetic induction. So it is perpendicular to the plane in the inward direction. That means it is in this way. See the middle finger. Middle finger is inside the board. So what we have, this is the direction. V is the velocity. So see the thumb. Thumb is vertically upward. That means the direction for the force is F. This is what we have, the direction for the force acting. Now students, negative charge. Negative charge means what? You have to use what? You have to use what we say, left hand. So left hand. So see over here, V is the velocity. V is velocity. Dot is perpendicular to the plane in the outward direction. So see, the middle finger is towards you. So this is what we have. So this thumb will give you the direction of the force acting. So it is what we have in this particular direction. It is along this way. So this is the direction for the force acting. Okay. Let us come to this part. The next diagram. Now V, B is downward. Velocity is upward. So velocity is this direction. B in this direction. Now this direction. It is not possible. I cannot make it because theta is 180. So if theta is 180, of course, sine of 180 is what? 0. So sine of 180 is 0. That means your force is 0. Okay. Now we have in this way. See, this is negative charge. Negative charge means left hand, of course. V is the direction for velocity. So V is the velocity. See, of course, it is not perpendicular. So perpendicular means there is some angle between 0 to 180. So obviously it will be tracing a path. Okay, so the V is the velocity. The velocity is in this direction. B is the direction for magnetic induction. So this is the direction for magnetic induction. The thumb is towards you. So the force is outward, perpendicular to the plane. And as it is outward, it is represented by dot. So this is what we have about the force acting. Okay, make sure students, this will be following some trace, it will be tracing some elliptical path or something, because the velocity component is not perpendicular, rather it is VB sine theta we will be taking. Come to this case, positive charge. Of course, positive charge means right hand. Now right hand, positive charge. Dot is V is the velocity. I'll come this side. So V is the velocity, right hand. V is the velocity. Dot is basically in this way. Dot means perpendicular to the plane in the outward direction. Look at the thumb. Thumb will give you the direction of the force. Okay. V is velocity. Dot means perpendicular to the plane in the outward direction. F is force. So this is what we have. Okay, so the direction for the force acting. And of course the last one, negative charge. Negative charge means of course what we will be using? We will be using left hand. So left hand, so cross is the direction for the magnetic field in the inward direction. So V is velocity. V is velocity. So V is velocity. Cross is the magnetic field. So this is what we have, the magnetic field in the inward direction. See the thumb is towards this particular side, horizontal positive x-axis. So this is the direction for force acting. Okay, so just implement. See, there are many. If you search for many of the videos on YouTube, you will be getting many of the things. Right hand rule, left hand rule, palm rule. Of course, there are many, but this is from our 11th and 12th point of view. Because we have the formula F is equal to QVB sin theta. Just by making the proper sign convention, that is for positive charge, use right hand. For negative charge, use your left hand, and implement this same. Of course, you can get the direction for the charge or the motion of the particle, motion of the charge particle rather. Okay, thank you, and do like this video.